Maytag dryer troubleshooting tips. Maytag dryers are known for their reliability and durability. However, they can experience issues from time to time. This article provides troubleshooting tips for common issues. If your Maytag Neptune dryer is not heating, there could be several reasons. Ensure that the dryer is properly plugged in and receiving power. Also, check the circuit breaker to make sure it hasn't tripped. The heating element may be faulty or damaged. Use a multimeter to test its continuity and replace if defective. A clogged lint filter or exhaust vent can restrict airflow. Clean them regularly to prevent overheating. If your Maytag dryer is not spinning, it could be due to a few reasons. The dryer drum is rotated by a belt. Inspect the belt for damage and replace it if necessary. The dryer motor may be faulty. Use a multimeter to check if it's receiving power. If not, you may need to replace the motor. The idler pulley maintains tension on the belt. Replace the idler pulley if it's worn out or damaged. The Maytag Dependable Care dryer is known for its reliability. However, even this dependable dryer can encounter issues. The thermal fuse protects the dryer from overheating. If it's blown, the dryer won't start. Test the thermal fuse for continuity and replace if necessary. The door switch ensures the dryer stops when the door is opened. If faulty, the dryer may not start. Test the switch using a multimeter and replace it if needed. A clogged dryer vent can cause the dryer to overheat and stop working. Regularly clean the vent to prevent this issue. If your Maytag Bravo's dryer is not heating, follow these steps. For a gas dryer, ensure the gas supply is turned on. Also, check that the gas line is properly connected. The igniter is responsible for igniting the gas in the dryer. If it's defective, the dryer won't heat up. Test the igniter for continuity and replace it if necessary. A dirty burner assembly can cause heating issues. Clean the burner assembly to improve performance. The Maytag Centennial commercial technology dryer is designed for heavy-duty use. Ensure that the power cord is properly connected and undamaged. The control board controls the various functions of the dryer. If it's faulty, the dryer may not work properly. Test the control board and replace it if needed. The moisture sensor detects the moisture level in the dryer. If it's dirty or covered in lint, it may not function correctly. Clean the sensor to improve its performance. If your Maytag dryer won't turn on, try these troubleshooting steps. Ensure that the dryer is properly plugged in and receiving power. Also, check the circuit breaker to make sure it hasn't tripped. The door switch ensures the dryer stops when the door is opened. If faulty, the dryer may not start. Test the switch using a multimeter and replace it if needed. The thermal fuse is a safety device that can trip if the dryer overheats. Reset the thermal fuse and see if the dryer turns on. Use genuine Maytag replacement parts for optimal performance and longevity. Find genuine Maytag replacement parts on the official Maytag website or authorized retailers. If uncomfortable with troubleshooting, call an authorized service center. Maytag has service centers in many provinces of America. Find the nearest one by calling the customer service number on the Maytag website. Maytag dryers are reliable but can encounter issues. Follow the troubleshooting tips to resolve common problems. Remember to use genuine Maytag replacement parts. Call an authorized service center if unsure about troubleshooting or replacing parts. The information provided is collected from the internet. For the most accurate and up-to-date information, visit the official Maytag website. The site owner is not responsible for any wrong information or application.